Hello, my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today. The first item is something that you might already have, but some of you have never seen it before. It's a die that I did for the other company that obviously I own my own artwork, so we are releasing it now through us. It is exactly the same. So if you already have it, you're good, okay? If you've never seen it before, you need this. Okay, what is it? It is a flip it card that holds a gift card. So the flip it card is all here, but this die right here, it's a funny looking shape, but really it only cuts here and cuts here. So you can slide a gift card in. Now, this one die by itself, you will use all the time because on any card, you can use that to hold a gift card. Isn't that awesome? You could even die cut it on this piece of cardstock and now it'll hold a gift card. So you have a little spot to hide a gift card if you need to. So that's a really awesome, and I have lots of fun samples. There's some fun flowers on there. They're awesome. The next item that I have is really fun because it is a triple circle slimline insert die. So you'll be able to insert this and you're gonna get 3 perfectly spaced circles on your slimlines. It also includes layering circles. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 circles to layer, plus the outside circles. Lots of fun on that one as well. Then we have what I made for myself. Do not buy it. Do not buy it. I only made it for myself. No, I'm kidding. I'll share. But I really honestly did make this for myself. I really wanted this really bad. What is it? Well, it's not going to look like much at first, but it is fingerprint people. What do I mean by that? I mean these stamps, and I'm going to share it with you. I'm going to stamp it for you so you can see. But these stamps only do the outsides, and then you're going to use your fingerprint or your thumbprint to do the rest. Isn't that cute? Perfect for children. Now, it does come with dies, but I got to give you a heads up. 5 of the dies do not have insert dies. They do not have the inside dies. There's a reason for that. They would have had to have changed the artwork because it's too fine, so it wouldn't have fit. So you still get the shadow dies, you just don't have the inside dies, okay? So this is normal, that's what it's supposed to look like. Now, I'm gonna do this one once I show you all my samples, but there's a dog, a cat, a bear, a penguin, a little girl, a little boy, a mouse, a fish, a bunny, an elephant, a panda bear, a shark, a football, and a piggy. Isn't that awesome? I love it. I love it. I love it. I can't wait to share it with you. Okay, so let's look at the samples for the gift card first. So look at those beautiful flowers that comes in the kit, those beautiful flowers. And there you can see, there's my little gift card holder. It has those little notches so it can hold a gift card on the inside. Isn't that awesome? Perfect for a thank you gift, perfect for a birthday gift. Oh, there's another one. Oh, look how cute that is. Dunkin' Donuts. Look at that. Open it and look, there you go. There's your gift card hiding. Now, you don't have to use a gift card if you don't want to. This one has the notches, but you don't have to do the notches if you don't want to. You could just make it a rectangle card. It does not have to have those notches. Now, here's a cute one. Santa, Merry Christmas. Open it up, so cute. Here's beautiful. Let your dreams be your wings. Isn't that fun? I love that. That's beautiful. Ooh, here's a pretty one. Look at that. A gift for you, Merry and Bright. I love that. Oh, now this is one a customer made for me, but I figured Kathy made this one. I figured, hey, it fits because she bought it when I had it a long time ago. But I thought, you know what? I need to share it with you. Isn't that cute? 50, because it was for my birthday and she made that for me. Isn't that cute? I love it, Kathy. So it got in the video. Okay, here's a cute one with our little birdie, and we're going to open it up. Happy birthday. Isn't he cute? Here's a fun one. Make a wish. This one also has the hidden panel. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, this is another one. A customer made this one for me. Janine made this one. And look at that. She put Diet Coke in there and she has cupcakes in there. And she says, celebrate everything with a Diet Coke. Isn't that cute? I love it. Make a wish. Look at that. Here's another. Oh, don't drop. We're all falling now. Those are important. I got to share them with you. Okay, here's another cute one. Thanks so much. Okay, so that, if you already have it from the other company, you're good. And I want you to get it back out. If you don't have it, now use your chance to get it. Now let's look at the triple circle. I know the triple circle is gonna go fast, just a heads up. In fact, I think I've already ordered it, but it's still probably 2 more weeks away. But look at how gorgeous this is. Isn't that beautiful? I absolutely love that, so pretty. Here's a cute one with a little aquarium-like look. Isn't that fun with the little circles? Ooh, look at this one. This one's gorgeous. Look at those fun flowers with the swirls. And you're gonna ask me where the swirls came from. Swirl die set. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. Oh, here's a cute one. You are awesome. I love the circles because what it's going to do is it's going to perfectly space those circles. Now, technically, you could use one circle die and run it through, then move it over and run it through, then move it over and run it through. But my problem with that on me doing that is I won't space them perfectly and I'll be bummed and when I do it. So that's why I have the 3 circles by themselves so I can make sure that they're spaced perfectly on my cards. Now, you can use this for the rounded corners or the straight corners, either Slimline, it'll work on both. There's a cute one, happy birthday. Oh, and here's one made into a shaker, isn't that cute? Oh, with my cute little fingerprint goldfish. Look at that, perfect segue to all of these. Are you ready, my friends? These are gonna knock your socks off. And oh, no pun intended, because look at this, you guys. Look at, Leslie made these. Aren't these cute? These little sockies, those have bunnies on them. This one has little girls on them. Aren't they cute? You could make little sockies out of these. Okay, here we go. Sharks. Dun, 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 dun. Sharks. Sharks. Do, 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 do. Oh, how cute is that? Do, 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 do. Look at that. The sharks are on their way. So cute. Here's another one. Oh, look how cute. The little doggy. Now, don't forget, you're going to use your thumbprint to do these. Here's a cute one with the little kitty cat. Here's some die cut out. Here's, you are one of a kind. And look, here's the bear, the kitty cat, the piggy, the mouse. Look how cute those are. Here's a fun one. Look at the background paper, my friends. All of that is the fingerprints to stamp. Isn't that cute? Here's another one where the background is all fingerprints to stamp. This one is the elephant. It's so, so cute. Now here's an adorable one. This is by Catherine. This is just a canvas, not just, but look how fantastic that is. And it says world's best teacher, and it has a whole bunch of the animals and it says thanks. And then the teacher can hang that. Isn't that sweet? I love that. Now, here is a bookmark, and you're like, why is Stephanie showing us that bookmark? Well, look at this, my friends. The bookmark has a little piece that you can lift up. There's the little die of the doggy. There's the little die of the kitty cat. And hiding down here is the little bear. Isn't that cute? And those are the dies. Those are not even the stamps. Those are the dies. Oh, here's a cute one using our grid die. Look at how cute those little guys are. So fun, you guys. I'm going to have a lot of fun with this one. And last but not least is a cute little birthday hat. Now a piece of cheese. Fold it. Look at that cute little mice everywhere we go. Aren't they adorable? So cute. Now, what am I talking about on these? What are they? How do we do them? Let me show you. So what I've done is I made the label show the thumbprint or your fingerprint, so you would actually see that. But you don't stamp that part. What do I mean? Well, let's do the kitty cat. Actually, let's stamp a couple of them. So let's grab a block and we're gonna stamp a couple of these. So I'm gonna do the kitty cat, I'm gonna do the doggy, and I'm going to do, let's do, oh, the bunny. Let's do the bunny. Okay, so we have 3 little guys on there. Oh, I think we have room for one more. Let's do the bear. Oh, penguin. Bear, 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 bear. Okay. Decisions, decisions. Okay, so now we have all those cute little guys. Oh, we have a grid on our block, so we might as well line them all up on that grid, right? Okay, so now what we're gonna, oh, now he's, okay, now I'm worrying about spacing here. Okay, we might as well get it exactly where we want it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ink this, and I'm going to stamp first on scratch paper. Remember, this is the brand new stamp set. The first time I stamp, I'm going to stamp on scratch paper. So I'm going to find a piece of scratch paper and I'm going to stamp on this. Now remember, it's only going to do the drawing part. It's not going to do the thumb. So look, isn't that funny? Isn't that cute? Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to bring it into our real cardstock, ink it up again. And I'm going to stamp on this. I just die cut a little rectangle, and I'm going to stamp on this right there. Press on the back of the stamp. There we go. And we're going to lift up. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, now we get to play and have fun. So I grabbed Blue Jay, and I should probably grab another color. Let's do marigold, cantaloupe. And I'm picking light colors because I have a lot of videos to tape today, and I want to make sure my fingers don't get stained. I'm cheating. Let's do lemonade. Okay, so let's do lemonade first, and we're gonna do our cute little bunny. So I just got some ink on my finger, and if I want to test it, I can test it first just to say, okay, yeah, that looks like a good size. Okay, great. If you want it to be bigger, you can use a bigger finger, but I'm just going to go like this. Isn't that cute? Okay, so that's, oh my gosh, I love these. Okay, so that is that one. Then let's do the bear in blue. So let's get some ink, make sure, okay, get some ink. And the harder you press, the bigger the image will be. So just a heads up on that. The harder you press, the bigger the image will be because you'll be putting more down. Okay, let's do the marigold for the doggy. So I'm going to try to make this one a little bigger. So there we are. Actually, let's get a little bit more ink on there. There we go. Oh, a little more on that side. And I'm going to stamp and kind of really press down. Oh, there's my little doggy. Ruff, ruff. Okay, clean my finger. And last but not least, let's use cantaloupe. I'm actually going to use a different finger because I'm worried I'm going to start contaminating. This idea would be really good to do with your kids, your grandkids, neighborhood kids, whatever. So I'm getting a lot of ink on this one. And oops, and I'm going to stamp right. It's kind of hard to use a different finger. I'm going to stamp right there. Oh, look how sweet she turned out. Look at that, you guys. Isn't that fun? Now, if I wanted to, I could go in and color the little pieces right there. I could just add a little bit of extra, but those are my little cute fingerprint people. You're going to see a lot of these lately from me because I love them so much. Okay, my friends, club members, of course, you're getting the club discount on these items. If you're not in the club, come on, you're missing out, right? Okay, hello, $11.95 a month. That includes a brand new stamp set each month. That also gets you the freebies. That also gets you the anniversary gifts. You get a sign-on bonus of a free stamp and a free die just for joining. What's the time commitment? Not 3 years, 3 months. We want you to try us out. If you don't love us, you log into your account and click cancel. Done, okay? We just want you to try us out. If you love us, you're gonna stay a long time. We have some club members that have been in pretty much the whole entire time. We've been in business 10 years now. So go check us out, thestampsoflife.com. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.